Here we have a 1984 excellent mini fridge. If I can. And it says right there, September 1984. Takes R12. 1.5 amps, 60 hertz, 115 volts. 40-watt motor in the compressor. Great Neck, New York. Made in Korea. Here's the compressor. And this thing is just about 30 years old, and it still holds all of its charge. So, thought I'd, oh, and there it goes. Perfect timing. Listen how quiet it is. And it's starting to build pressure, as you can hear. I was about to adjust the thermostat when it just kicked on. And this is already getting hot. Yeah, this thing starts up very quickly. So there you have it. A 1984 Excellence mini fridge. Still works like it was still works like brand new. Pure vintage quality. Here's the inside. Here's the freezer. There's the thermostat. You know what, for fun, gotta lock you in here. Whoops. Thought I'd do that for you. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Over and out.